Oh yeah, the whole process of like learning the Uptime Elements piece and some of the resources that AMP put out to try and get you certified. It was very informative. It was things that I kind of knew, but I didn't realize it was to that complexity. A lot of people think that, oh yeah, I know maintenance, I can just go in and pass. You can't just pass the test. You have to pay attention to the finer details, especially if you want to take the test. There's things in there that you wouldn't really think about, such as like vibration analysis or fluid mechanics. Like it's not intricate, but it's enough that you have to maintain some kind of a thought about it. And then the leadership piece on top of that was another key cog that nobody really recognizes at the time, but it was a kind of a pivotal thing that I saw on the test when I took it. You have to be the person that spearheads things. The idea makers are the ones that kind of propel people to either be passionate about something or identify what really truly needs to be done. And I think with this, the CRL really perpetuates that and makes people understand that you have to guide those who don't know. You have to guide people who work on this stuff every day and just assume certain aspects of their job are the same. When if you look at it, there's various different things about it that they really don't know because they haven't been properly trained or identify the actual little intricacies. I've been an electrician for 25 years and showing others little aspects of that that they didn't know before or a better way to do something. That's kind of like what the leadership portion of the CRL really kind of pushes. So anybody who would take this exam, I really, really strongly suggest that you think about it from the perspective of you want to guide people to a better way. And that certification really does help with that.